And here we are on the beautiful banks of the river Ganga amidst the beautiful Himalayas. And this guided meditation is to take you to a place of tranquility amidst all the chaos happening in the world. Hi, my name is Ashwini Chube and I am your meditation teacher and a coach. This meditation is very simple where we are going to use the power of A, our breathing, and B, our mind to calm ourselves down. You can do this meditation anytime when you feel agitated, stressed, chaotic, or ungrounded. To begin with, sit in a place where you won't be disturbed. It could be your own bedroom, maybe your office, or even your car. Just make sure you're not driving. Find a place of solitude where you would not be disturbed by anyone else. Close your eyes and gently start relaxing your body. Let your body loose. Each and every muscle of your body is getting totally relaxed. Breathe in and breathe out, and with every breath, let's go more and more deeper. Let us focus on our breathing now. Breathe in through your nose, filling all the beautiful energy in your body. The best way to breathe in is when you breathe in and your abdomen gets inflated, and breathe out, deflating your abdomen. Breathe in once again and breathe out. As you start breathing in and breathing out deeply, your body starts releasing those beautiful chemicals which take you even deeper. Let that beautiful energy, which is created by the breathing in and breathing out, be completely relaxing to your body. Now I want you to feel every inch of your body getting relaxed even deeper. Also, if you're feeling stressed, anxious, let us pay more attention to our body and let us feel where this energy of stress lies in. Is it your stomach? The solar plexus? Is it in your chest? At your Anahata chakra or the heart? Or is it your head? Or is it at your throat? Many people have this stuck feeling in their throat, especially when they have to deliver a meeting or a presentation. Or are you feeling your feet turning cold, your hands feeling cold? Just pay attention, be aware of it. Some of us even feel the stress in your shoulders. So are you feeling that stress in your shoulder? Whatever it is, there could be any other part of the body where you feel this stress. Just be in awareness of that. And now I want you to give a color, a shape, a size to this uneasy, stressful feeling in your body. What does it look like? What shape is it? Is it circular? Is it a line? Is it a triangle? What color is it? Is it black? Is it dirty brown? What color it is? What does it look like? You could even have more adjectives to it. What does it smell like? What does it feel like? Just acknowledge it. Be totally in the awareness of it. And now, as you are in this awareness, you are going to release it. If you wish, you could pause this video for a few seconds and go more detail with what it is. Whenever you are back, now we are going to say a simple affirmation in which we are going to give this energy to our subconscious mind, where we say, I'm now ready to release this stress. I'm now ready to release this anxiety. I'm now ready to release this chaos. As you give this command, imagine this object, whatever name and adjective and description you have given to it. Imagine it getting released from your body in an instance, just like a bullet leaves the gun. Imagine it leaving your body in high speed, and imagine it vanishing in the thin air. It may have burst in the air, or it may have gone to the water, or the sky, or the ground. Be thankful. It has left your body. It's gone. It just got removed. And now imagine beautiful golden light. Imagine the light of the sun which you see in the video, lighting up your entire physical body. The water which you see, cleansing it. The air refreshing you. And you are now ready to take on the world with love and joy. Whenever you are ready, you can come back to your consciousness by getting aware of where you are. Remember, be gentle on yourself. You have released truckloads of stress. Thank you very much for listening to this meditation. This is Ashwini Chube, your meditation teacher. Thank you.